Welcome to the Section 1 and 2 quiz. I'm going to ask some questions. You can then pause the video and a few seconds later I'll reveal the answers. All of the questions here are based on the content we've covered in Sections 1 and 2. Let's kick this off with who invented Ansible. And the answer for this is Michael de Haan. What year was Ansible created in? 2012. Next up, when was Ansible acquired by Red Hat Inc.? This was 3 years later in 2015. Ansible is a single tool, true or false? And this one is false. Ansible is a toolset comprising of many tools, modules, and is also an extensible framework. Name some of the core components of Ansible. Here you're looking for the following, i.e. modules, the Ansible executable, the Ansible playbook executable, and inventories. There's also many more, so if you answered outside of this with other components, then they will most likely apply. What types of targets can we use with Ansible? For this answer, you can make reference to hosts, network switches, containers, storage arrays. The most important aspect is knowing that it's not just hosts, even though that is a major use for Ansible. Okay, this is a tough one and was referenced slightly in the material. Let's see if you get this. When SSH is used, during the secure channel configuration, what algorithm is used to create a symmetric key? The answer here was Diffie-Hellman, an algorithm from the 1970s that was published by Whitfield Diffie and Martin Hellman. This question was a bit of a wild card, so if you did get this one, well done, but not the end of the day if you didn't. Next question. What command is used to generate a public and private SSH key pair? The answer, SSH-keygen. In what file should a public key be added to on a remote user's home directory to configure trusted access? The answer is the authorized keys file. Which directory within a user's home directory would you find a generated public and private SSH key, a known hosts file, and the authorized keys file? It's the hidden directory .ssh. What's the name of the convenient SSH tool we can use for copying our public key to a target user's authorized keys file? SSH-copy-ID. What is the option in SSH for automatically accepting unknown host key fingerprints? If you remembered all of that off the top of your head, then well done. It is strict host key check-in equals no. On the command Ansible-I, Ubuntu1 -m ping, what does the -I and -m option represent? The -I is used for the inventory and the -m is used to specify the module, in this case ping. Here we're using the comma option to pass in a list of hosts, albeit a single host, to the command line. Okay, that's it for this video. Please join me in the next section, Ansible, Architecture and Design.